Hello everyone, this is Gaurav and I have cleared this year's AAI ATC exam which was held on 21st of February 2023. I thank Careerway platform and Satyendra Pathak sir for the guidance that they are providing to the students like us. Free content, the free online content, YouTube videos that they are providing on their channel that helped me a lot during the final days of my preparation. The previous year question papers that they are solving, the practice questions they are providing free of cost. It was extremely beneficial for students like us who might not be having much time left for the enrollment, or some financial issues could be there. So the great work that these guys are doing is next level. So, but if we come to the materialization of things, so I think a direct benefit of 10 marks, at least 10 marks, that I'm very much sure of. So if you're getting somewhere 85 and if there is a direct benefit of 10 marks, you're scoring 95, you're clearing the cutoff, you are there for the job. So yeah, I really give them credit and thank them from the bottom of my heart. And I hope that you guys keep doing the work, the great work that you are doing. One more thing that I'm learning right now from you after meeting you, sir, after talking to you, is how to be humble. See, I'm being very honest. I have not seen a person like you. You're so humble. So that is what I'm learning. You can be a very good teacher as well, and you can be famous among the students. At the same time, you can be so down to earth. So that's what young people like us should learn from you. So I'm yet to reach somewhere, but we'll reach. I would love to meet you in person as well. Yeah. So, thank you very much, sir.